Mitsubishi air conditioners are well-respected models with a proud history of providing comfort to people all over the world. Now, seeking to attain even higher levels of comfort, we present Kirigamine, a new concept that redefines comfort. The key word of this concept is health and comfort. The first health-supporting feature is the plasma quad. Air is something we unconsciously take into our bodies every day. Yet clean, fresh air plays a vital part in creating a healthy space for humans. The plasma quad is equipped inside the air conditioner to effectively attack airborne bacteria and viruses and create a clean and healthy room environment. How does it work? The plasma quad attacks bacteria and viruses from inside the unit using a strong curtain-like electrical field and discharge of electric current across the unit's entire inlet air opening. Through flattening the standard round form of the field to a ribbon-like shape, a strong electrical field is produced. Tests have confirmed that the plasma quad neutralizes 99% of bacteria and 99% of virus particles in the air. Additionally, the air purifying filter equipped inside the air conditioner removes bad odors from the air. The plasma quad effectively removes bacteria, viruses, allergens, and dust from the air, while the air purifying filter deodorizes. This creates a cleaner and healthier room environment.